Yo, what is up everybody? It's Peace-I. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be replacing the headphone jack and the, what's it called? Power connector cable on my iPhone 5C because I'm not ready to give up on this phone. So first step is to remove the two screws at the bottom. That actually took a little bit of time, so I completely cut that out. The part that we are going to replace is right here. You can see this is where you stick in the charger, and then this is where you put your headphones in. So, same thing as last time. Basically, the repair is the exact same thing as the battery replacement, if you saw that video. So I'm going to try and go through this one pretty fast. It's just like that. The phone pops open once the screws are out. So basically, my battery is going back and forth, so I'm going to probably put some tape in there before I'm done with this. But, I guess we can follow the steps now. They say this is going to take 45 minutes to 2 hours. So I'm hoping they're wrong because I think I've got the hang of this. Alright, so first up, you remove those two screws, and then you open the phone. Blah, blah, blah. And we're already on step 8. They say to prop it open. I mean, it's unnecessary. You can work with it. Now we're going to use the 000 screw, head to unscrew this. The two screws that are on the bracket. So 000, well, it's Y000, and this is PH000. Alright, so this is the one that we're going to be using. So we'll put back the P2 that we used. Those bolts were a pain. Alright, so got our phone right here. I just put these screws in not too long ago, so pretty funny. Remove that. Cool. Super magnetic. Awesome. Put that where it needs to be. And the other one. Alright, so I've got those two ready to go for next time. I'm gonna take out the bracket. Okay. Alrighty. So that is all set for later on. Alright, now the next step, I believe, is to disconnect the battery. Okay, remove the metal bracket, and then use your little spudger thing to disconnect the battery. And just like that, it is disconnected. Oh, you missed it. It's just right here. You just press underneath, and it pops up. Alright. Yeah, there's no way this is going to take 45 minutes. Hopefully I can finish this under the next 25 minutes. Alright, so then it's the 4 screws. You're using the 000 again. So we're going to go the 2 red on the bottom, then the orange one on the top left, and then the yellow one. And then remove the cover. Alright, and then we're going to disconnect those 3. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. If you want to watch this more in depth and then my first time around with this, check out my other video that I posted not too long ago that has all of that information. So we're going to keep our head that we just used. And first up is the bottom 2, so let's take out those. Make sure you don't strip the screws because then you'd be really screwed. Alright. Make sure you don't like lose those or put them in the wrong spot. Next is orange, which is in the top left corner. Right. I was literally just in my phone the other week. This is so funny. And then finally, the one indicated by the color yellow. Come on. Maybe this one's not magnetic. I think I had trouble with this one last time, so I'm just going to skip that and just pick it up, holding the screw inside. Boop. Got it. La 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 la. All right, ready to go for next time. Oh, that's why that screw doesn't come out. It's huge. Okay. Perfect. This is going by swimmingly. I was probably on like 20 minutes by the time I got to this portion on the last time. La 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 la. Remove the panel. Disconnect those 3 portions. Alright, so I know how to do this. Take our little, what is this even called? I don't know what this is. But we're going to disconnect. Can you guys see this? Disconnect that portion. Disconnect this portion. And finally disconnect this portion. And that is the only thing keeping our phone together. So now our screen is completely off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There we go. Alright. So just put that off to the side, I guess. Next up is, no, I don't want reading view. Okay, yeah, disconnect all that jazz, separate it, yeah, wow. And the battery. The battery has its own little thing where it's stuck there with tape, and then I removed the tape and I didn't replace it, so for the past week my phone battery's been like rocking around inside the phone. At this point I get to literally just remove it, like so. How do I do this? Alright, boom, there's the battery. Yeah, I'm going to use some of the leftover tape from last time to keep it in place because that was super annoying. Alright, so now it's getting into territory that I have not been before, so it might slow down a little bit from here. Oh, okay, remove the battery, blah, 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 blah. And there's for heating up your battery and prying it out with a card. So a lot of the steps are removing the battery. Alright, here we go. Lightning connector assembly. Use a plastic opening tool to peel the home button spring contact up from the speaker enclosure. So, we're going to use our plastic tool. Right over in here. This portion. Saw in the video that they kind of worked it up. Just like so. Alright, that's up now. That was easy. Next up, we've got more screws. Looks like we're using the 000 Phillips screw. We're removing the 2 red ones and then the 1 orange one. Alright. So, gonna keep the same head that we've had before. So the red one is underneath here. Let's make sure you guys can see. Let's change the angle a little bit. There we go. Dang it, the glare. Alright, so this screw first. Alright, I love the magnets. Put that right here. Gotta make sure I don't knock that so that it doesn't get lost. And then the other screw is right here. La 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 la. Alright, I think it's ready to come out. It's just being a brat, so let's just remove it with my guy right here. Come on, guy. What is going on with this screw? Gosh darn it. Alright, maybe this is a little silly. Maybe it's a two-handed job. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, it's still in there somehow. What? What is going on? Is this a prank? Didn't realize it was going to be this tedious. Got it. Oh, this screw is magnetic. No wonder. Okay, so the screw itself is magnetic. That's insane. Why is it magnetic? I will never know. Alright, so put that down there. And then finally, the orange one. The 2mm. Oh, gosh. That was super annoying. Okay, so just this left one. That's weird, but okay. I can do that. Oh, come on. Okay, that one was not annoying at all. Thank goodness. Put that right there so I know where it goes. Alright, moving on to step 28. See, this has only been like 10 minutes. Alright, so use flat end of spudger to gently pry the speaker enclosure up from the rear case. Alright, so we're just going to use our little black spudger to pry this out. Oh, I see. That is amazing. Oh, wait, you know what? In the video, it says to get your little antenna thing. Remove speaker enclosure. Careful not to snag it on the antenna cable. Wow, they should have said that earlier. Because I could have damaged my antenna cable. They said I could just remove this right here, like so. Well, they say to just take it out without even touching it, so I think that's possible. Let's just take that out. Like so. Alright. Just gotta flip it over on its head. Oh god, if I like damaged my antenna cable, then that would be so bad. Alright, so this is the speaker. This is a good opportunity to clean your phone. Because over the years, it gets dusty and stuff. Alright, so I've got this component. I will put this over here. That's heavy and magnetic. Okay, maybe the screw wasn't magnetic. Maybe that thing was magnetic, which is why it was attracted there. Alright, we're going on 10 minutes now, I think. No, 14 minutes, I think. I can't even tell. Alright. Move the speaker enclosure. The far right screw hole on the speaker has a contact bracket wrapped around it. This tiny part may fall off unexpectedly. Where? Oh, wait a minute. I think it did fall off unexpectedly. Fudge. Where is it? I don't think so. It's right there, I think. The small part may fall off unexpectedly, so it's best to remove it and note the orientation for reassembly. The flat portion of the contact clip should rest against the speaker as shown. The alignment bracket at the far end of the speaker assembly is adhered, may fall off if handled aggressively. The angled end should face up and line with the outside edge of the speaker. Alright. Use a plastic tool to disconnect the lightning connector ribbon cable from its socket on the logic board. Alright, so right there, we're going to use this thing to remove this portion right here. Come on, dude. There we go. All right, removed. The lightning connector cable is lightly adhered to a shield on the logic board. Use the flat end of a spudger to gently peel the cable up. Yeah, my phone's so old that it didn't need a peel. Disconnect the cellular antenna connector from the base of the logic board. Why didn't they have you do that in an earlier step? This is ridiculous. All right, so are they using the pointy end? Yeah, they're using the pointy end. All right, so I'll disconnect that. Oh, you can't see it. All right, here it is. And just like that, my antenna is disconnected. All right, sick. 34. 4 more screws to remove. All right, so the 2 in red are first. All these are the Phillips 000, and then the orange, and then the yellow. That is going to be annoying. I'm going to put that on a separate portion of the tray so that I remember. So, yellow first. No, red first. All right, so these 2. Let's correct my camera angle for you guys. Dang it, my camera's getting hot. All right, so these 2. This is exciting. I'm so happy to have a new phone thingy. Connector cable, because my phone was like not charging very well. It would like, you'd have to like stick the thing there and like keep it there and make sure you don't bump it or else it won't charge anymore. All right, so then orange, which is down here. Orange down there. And finally, yellow, which is all the way down here. That one was a tight one. I almost started to strip it. That would have sucked. Oh, God, this one's just like the other. Oh, never mind. Alrighty, that one was way easier than the other one. Okay. This is going by pretty well. Pretty well. Let's hope my phone turns back on again when we're done with this. Okay, so let's bring this over here, and perfect. Step number 35. Gently peel the lightning connector assembly from the rear case. All right, so we're going to peel her. And I guess this is just garbage because I'm putting in a brand new assembly. Oh, the antenna is part of it. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, the entire flipping thing comes out. Oh my God. And then, oh no. What is this? It just fell out. What is that? What is that? Oh God, what is that? Where did that come from? Looks like a gasket for the microphone. Okay, so that's probably the microphone gasket. Phew. All right, so this is the old part. Don't need it anymore. I guess I'll put it over in this pile over here. All right. It's not stripped at all. That's kind of stripped. Okay, so I'll use this one. And is this the stripped one? Yeah, that looks kind of stripped. This one's stripped. That one's kind of stripped too. Yeah, I think I'll use that one. I'm just figuring out which bolts I'm going to use for the bottom of my phone, because that was a pain to take out. I don't want to have to deal with that again. All right. So next on the agenda, 9 minutes left in my recording time. All right. You may need to use the flat end of the spudger to completely free the assembly. Well, I didn't. Remove the lightning connector. There's a small rubber gasket attached to the microphone. Be sure to transfer to the new assembly. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, and that's it. Reassemble the device, follow the instructions in reverse order. Wow, cool. Wow, I kind of hate... Oh, shoot. Kind of hate you guys. All right, that is fine. Let us follow in reverse order. So, maybe I should make a separate video on that. Nah. All right, so we got our thingy here. How do we open this? Gosh darn it. Do we really need scissors for something like this? Wow. Wow. All right. I guess this involves scissors. I'm like sweating from this. All right. So, got our scissors. We're going to open up our quality part. And then take that right out of there, that bad boy. Holy cow! Why is it red? What's the other one look like? Oh, those tabs are probably the tape. It doesn't tell you to remove the tape. Oh man, it's all like bent and stuff here. This is better flipping work. Wait a minute, I don't have the headphone... What the? These parts are different. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out off camera. Gonna use my logic and best judgment, and I'll let you guys know what's going on. Alright, bye.